everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our topic is inheritance in Java. So I am telling you some important notes on that. First we talk about what is inheritance. Then we talk about syntax of inheritance. Then types of inheritance. So first, what is inheritance? Inheritance, we construct a new class from existing class in a such a way. A new class inherits features and properties from existing class is known as inheritance in Java. So the syntax of inheritance is class A. Class A is a superclass and class B is a subclass. In class A, we write a addition and subtraction program, and there is code reusability. So in class B, automatically there is subtraction, addition, and then we added suppose multiplication, division, and remainder method. Then in there are three method we create an object in class B. So that is the syntax of inheritance in Java. Then we talk about types of inheritance in Java. There are 5 types. First three uses types are single inheritance, then multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. And other two are there is multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. In Java programming, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. So we discussed one by one step. First we discussed about single inheritance. Single inheritance is known also a simple inheritance. In single inheritance there is superclass, then subclass. Superclass is a parent class and a subclass is a child class. Then in multiple inheritance there is superclass, sub1 class and sub2 class. In superclass is a parent class and sub1 and sub2 inherits from superclass, inherits features and programming through a superclass. Then we talk about hierarchical class, hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance there is one superclass and there is sub1 class, sub2 class and sub3 class. They all sub1, sub2, sub3 class inherits features and properties from superclass. Then we talk about their for fourth one and fifth one, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. So in multiple inheritance there is two superclasses and one subclasses. That means two parent classes and one child classes. Then hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance there is class A, class B, class C and class D. There is two superclasses and two subclasses. Then we talk about then we talk about the uses of inheritance. So in inheritance there is extend keyword that used to perform inheritance. It provides code reusability. We can't access private members of class through inheritance. A subclass contains all features and properties from superclass, so we should create the object of subclass. Then method overriding possible only through inheritance. Inheritance is also nothing but ISA relationship. Then in simple way, parents class property is transferred into a child class is known as inheritance. So this is all about inheritance in Java. Thank you guys.